Space. The final frontier. A vast, seemingly endless expanse that has fascinated humanity for centuries. When we gaze upward, we are peering into a realm that stretches far beyond our imagination. A place where the rules of our everyday world no longer apply. It stretches before us, filled with stars and galaxies beyond counting. Each tiny point of light is a distant sun, many with their own planets, perhaps even their own stories. The sheer scale is almost impossible to comprehend. Billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars scattered across the cosmic ocean. But what lies beyond the edge of it all? Is there a boundary, a wall, or does space simply go on forever, stretching into infinity? Scientists and philosophers alike have pondered this question, searching for clues in the faintest glimmers of light and the deepest shadows. What exists outside the universe we know? Is there a realm beyond our cosmic horizon, something hidden from our view by the limits of light and time? Or is the universe all there is, a self-contained bubble floating in a greater unknown? The question hangs in the silent darkness, waiting for an answer. It lingers in the quiet spaces between the stars, in the blackness that seems to stretch on without end. It is a mystery that has inspired countless stories, theories, and dreams. Could there be something more? Perhaps other universes, hidden dimensions, or realities beyond our comprehension? The possibilities are as endless as space itself, limited only by our curiosity and imagination. We look up at the night sky, filled with wonder. Each of us, at some point, has felt the pull of the cosmos, the urge to ask questions that have no easy answers. The stars above remind us of how small we are, yet how connected we are to the universe. The stars seem like tiny points of light, but each one is a sun, burning bright. Some are young and hot, others ancient and fading. All part of a cosmic story billions of years in the making. They are so far away, their light takes years to reach us. And beyond them, there are more stars, more galaxies, and perhaps more mysteries waiting to be discovered. The further we look, the more questions we find. The universe goes on, or does it? Somewhere, out there in the darkness, the answer awaits, challenging us to keep searching, to keep wondering, and to never stop asking the cosmic question. Imagine our universe as a single layer, a page in a cosmic book. Scientists believe there might be many such layers, hidden dimensions we can't see. Like pages stacked upon pages, these dimensions could exist right beside us, unseen. This idea is not new. Ancient texts speak of multiple heavens, layers of existence beyond our own. The Quran, for example, describes 7 heavens, each with its own purpose and beauty. Could these ancient stories hold a key to understanding the true nature of reality? Our telescopes can see incredibly far, peering deep into the cosmos and revealing wonders that were once unimaginable. With every new advancement in technology, we push the boundaries of our vision, capturing light that has traveled across unimaginable distances. These powerful instruments allow us to witness galaxies colliding, stars being born, and the faint glow of ancient cosmic events. But even they have limits. No matter how advanced our telescopes become, there is a boundary, a cosmic horizon, beyond which we cannot see. The universe stretches farther than our eyes or our machines can ever reach. The light from the most distant objects has taken billions of years to reach us. When we gaze at these ancient signals, we are looking at a universe that existed long before our planet even formed. Each photon is a messenger from the past, carrying secrets of cosmic history. We are looking back in time, seeing the universe as it was in its infancy. The earliest galaxies, the first stars, and the primordial clouds of gas all appear before us, frozen in time by the vast distances their light has traveled. But what lies beyond what we can see? Is there more to the universe than what our instruments reveal? The edge of the observable universe is not the end. Beyond it, mysteries remain hidden from our view. Time, too, plays tricks on us. In the vastness of space, time is not a constant. It bends and stretches, shaped by gravity and the fabric of the cosmos itself. It flows differently in the vastness of space. In some regions, time moves faster. In others, it slows to a crawl. The universe is a tapestry woven from both space and time, each thread influencing the other. Near massive objects like black holes, time slows down dramatically. Gravity warps the very fabric of reality, creating regions where a single second can stretch into years for an outside observer. What we perceive as the passage of time might be completely different elsewhere. The universe is full of paradoxes, where time and space twist in ways that challenge our understanding. Could there be places beyond time itself? Perhaps somewhere past the horizon of our knowledge, There are realms where the rules of reality are unlike anything we have ever imagined, waiting for us to discover them. There is an ancient story, a miraculous journey called the Mirage. It tells of a prophet ascending through the heavens, guided by divine light. He travels through different realms, each more magnificent than the last. He encounters souls in different states, some joyful, some sorrowful, reflecting their earthly deeds. This journey is often interpreted as a symbolic ascent through spiritual realms. Each stage represents a higher level of understanding, a deeper connection to the divine. It is a journey not just through space, but through consciousness itself. The prophet's journey, after traversing realms of wonder and mystery, culminates at a place known as Sidrat al-Muntaha, the furthest boundary, a destination both awe-inspiring and enigmatic. This is not just a point in space but a profound threshold, a meeting place between the known and the unknowable. Sidrat al-Muntaha is described in tradition as a lote tree of unimaginable size and beauty, standing alone at the edge of creation. Its presence is both majestic and mysterious, a symbol of the ultimate limit of human and even angelic experience. Its roots are said to be anchored deep within the seventh heaven, entwined with the very fabric of the cosmos, drawing nourishment from realms beyond our understanding. Its branches, meanwhile, stretch outward and upward, reaching into the infinite expanse, their tips dissolving into the luminous mysteries of the divine. Here, at this extraordinary boundary, the created universe, everything that exists from the smallest atom to the grandest galaxy, meets the realm of the divine, the source of all existence. This boundary is not a wall or a gate, but a shimmering veil of light and meaning. It is a threshold that marks the end of all that can be perceived, measured, or even imagined by created beings. For us, it represents the ultimate limit of human comprehension, a place where reason, science, and imagination all reach their end, and only wonder remains. Imagine it like the edge of a folded piece of paper. We can trace the outline, see where it bends, but the true reality beyond that fold is hidden from our view, waiting to be revealed. We may reach out, sense the boundary, and even feel its presence, but what lies beyond remains a mystery, inaccessible until the paper is unfolded. Only by transcending our current state, by unfolding new dimensions of understanding, could we ever hope to glimpse what lies beyond this cosmic edge. At Sidrat al-Muntaha, the very laws of physics, the rules that govern our universe, begin to unravel and dissolve. Here, the familiar patterns of cause and effect, time and space, simply no longer apply. In this surreal and sacred place, reality itself is transformed. The boundary is not just a limit, but an invitation, a call to humility, awe, and the recognition that some mysteries are meant to be experienced, not explained. Modern science is, honestly, just beginning to glimpse the possibility of realities beyond our own. Theories of brane cosmology suggest our universe might be like a membrane floating in a higher dimensional space. Gravity, too, might be a force that transcends dimensions. These scientific ideas, in a way, resonate with ancient revelations. The Quran speaks of a universe created with precise measures, governed by unseen laws. It describes divine structures and symmetries that echo the geometric patterns found in nature and explored by mathematicians. So, what lies beyond Sidrat al-Muntaha? It is a realm beyond time and space, beyond human understanding. No technology, no matter how advanced, can take us there. Passage is granted only by divine permission, a gift bestowed upon those deemed worthy. It is a place of pure consciousness, of ultimate unity, where the individual self dissolves into the infinite. This is the source of all creation, the ultimate destination of all souls. As we gaze up at the stars, we catch a glimpse of the vastness that lies beyond. Our journey to understand the universe is, honestly, just beginning. The answers we seek might lie not just in telescopes and equations, but also in the depths of our own hearts, in the whispers of ancient wisdom. The universe is not just something to be observed, but something to be experienced, to be explored with both our minds and our souls. The journey beyond the stars, well, it begins within each one of us.